हेलो दोस्तों, रामसर्स एकेडमी ऑफ मैथ्स में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम लेक्चर नंबर 5 डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, चैप्टर नंबर 1 लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल का, इन विच विल डिस्कस ग्राफिकल मेथड फॉर सॉल्विंग लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द क्वेश्चंस हाउ टू सॉल्व लीनियर इक्वेशन बाय यूजिंग ग्राफिकल मेथड। Exercise 1.2, question number 1. We have to complete the following table to draw the graph of the equation. इस मेन क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में सिर्फ हम ये सीख रहे हैं कि हम ग्राफ ड्रॉ करने के लिए लीनियर इक्वेशन के लिए जो पॉइंट्स का ज़रूरत है वो कैसे प्रिपेयर करते हैं। सो द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन विच वी हैव इज x plus y is equal to 3. So we prepare a table in which we write on always 4 column table you will prepare. In first column you will write on x, y, x comma y, and this is what the value already given in the textbook. So one by one we'll substitute value. आप चेक करेंगे तो x का वैल्यू 3 दिया है, so what we do, we substitute x is equal to 3 in the given equation. So y का वैल्यू आपको मिलेगा when we shift 3 on left hand side. So when we shift 3 on from left to right, we get y is equal to 3 minus 3, and that gives you 0. So this value of y we update in table. So we get our first point as 3 comma 0. Moving further, similarly, now y का value is given to us, so we update y का value in the given equation. So we get x plus 5 is equal to 3. So we can find out value of x by shifting plus 5 on right hand side. We get 3 minus 5, which gives you minus 2. So x का value will update, we get minus 2 comma 5 as a second point. Now again y का value is given to us as 3. ये table में already given है, तो x के जगह पे कुछ भी नहीं, y के जगह पे we will replace it by 3 equal to 3. So when we shift plus 3 from left to right, it become minus 3. So we get x is equal to 0. So that value will update, we get 0 comma 3. So table is ready for first equation. Similarly understand one more. So table given to us जिसमें आपको x का वैल्यू दिया है, एक बार -1 और एक बार y का वैल्यू दिया है 0. So let update the answer. First y का value will update as 0 in the given equation. So minus 0 का कोई मतलब ही नहीं है. So we get x is equal to 4. That value of x will update in table. So we get our first point as 4 comma 0. Now x का value which is given to you is -1. So that will update. So we get minus y is equal to 4 plus 1. So in next step when we simplify, so you will get minus y equal to 5, मतलब y का value is equal to minus 5. So we done with the value of y, we update in the table and we write down the point का value as -1 comma -5. Always keep in mind you will write down x का coordinate first and y का coordinate afterwards. This is what the format every time we follow. So this is about our main question number 1, जिसमें सिर्फ टेबल प्रिपेयर करना था, ग्राफ ड्रॉ नहीं करना था. Textbook question from exercise 1.1. So now 1.2 main question number 1. Now we'll discuss with the main question number 2, where we prepare table as well as we draw graph and we'll find out answer for the given two linear equation. Let's start with the exercise 1.2 question number 2. Solve the following simultaneous equation by using graphical method. Specifically, you have to solve the questions by graphical method. We starting with the question number 1. The two equations are x plus y is equal to 6, x minus y is equal to 4. So let's start with the first equation, x plus y is equal to 6. We prepare table for this. So whenever we are preparing table for equation, always write on one variable on left hand side and all other terms on right hand side. Now the problem is which variable has to be on left hand side. So जिस वेरिएबल का कोएफिशिएंट 1 होगा वो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में और बाकी सब कुछ आपको राइट हैंड साइड में शिफ्ट करना है. यहाँ पे x का भी कोएफिशिएंट 1 है, y का भी कोएफिशिएंट 1 है, तो चॉइस योर्स. आप किसी भी एक वेरिएबल को लेफ्ट में रखिए और बाकी सबको राइट में शिफ्ट कर दीजिए. So we are writing x on left hand side and we are shifting y on another side. So we are getting x is equal to 6 minus y. Now we prepare table for finding points which we draw on a graph paper. So for that we prepare a table of 4 column. In first column we will write down x, y, x comma y. Always same format you have to follow. Now we have to select value for the variable which is on right hand side, and if we check in a modified form we have y on right hand side. So y के लिए हम value select करेंगे from our side. That value you can select any number, but prefer the number which is nearby of origin. Therefore preferably we are selecting y का value as 0, 1 and 2. You can select 0, -1, -2, 0, 1, -1. Any value you can select, but prefer the value nearby of origin. Now we'll start with the answer of x by substituting value of y. So we'll write on when y is equal to 0, substitute that y equal to 0 in this equation, we get x is equal to 6 minus 0. So when we simplify, we get x is equal to 6. That value will update in column, second column. So we get 6 comma 0, which is the first point. Now we write on when y is equal to 1, we substitute here y is equal to 1. So y का value 1 रखेंगे हमारे modified form में. So we get x is equal to 6 minus 1. So we get x is equal to 5. Now next value for y is, after updating x का value 5, we write on 5 comma 1. Next value of y is 2. Update in x is equal to 6 minus y. We get 6 minus 2. So 6 minus 2 gives you in next step x is equal to 4. So that value of x equal to 4 will update in table. We get 4 comma 2. These are the 3 points we are getting for first equation. Let's discuss for second equation and then we draw graph of this two equation. So second equation we have x minus y is equal to 4. Again you have to write one variable on left hand side and all other terms on right hand side. So prefer जिसका कोएफिशिएंट 1 है वो लेफ्ट में रहे और बाकी सब टर्म्स को आप राइट में शिफ्ट करें. So x का कोएफिशिएंट 1 है, y का कोएफिशिएंट -1 है, तो हम उसे राइट में भेज दे रहे हैं. So we are getting x is equal to 4 plus y, and now we prepare table. Again 4 columns. In first column we will write down x, y, x comma y. Now select the value of variable which is on right hand side. So on right hand side we have y. So we will write on value of y as 0, 1, 2. Any value you can select. Prefer these 3 values. It become easy for drawing also and keep in mind also. So let's start with when y equal to 0. We update here in x is equal to 4 plus y. We get x is equal to 4 plus 0. So we get x equal to 4. Update that value in table. We get 4 comma 0. Now y equal to 1. When we substitute y is equal to 1 in this equation, x is equal to 4 plus y. We get x is equal to 4 plus 1, which is equal to 5. So x का value 5. Update in table. We get 5 comma 1. In the last y is equal to 2. We'll update this value in x is equal to 4 plus y. We get x is equal to 4 plus 2, which is equal to 6. Update this value in table. We get 6 comma 2. Now table is ready. By using this point we will draw graph of the given two equation. So let's start with the graph paper. This is what the graph. On this graph paper we will draw x axis, y axis. So after drawing these two lines, write on x, y, x dash, y dash, and write on the coordinates. So the highest value which we are observing is 6. So try करें कि आप 6 तक आपके coordinates होने चाहिए. So the point of intersection of x and y axis is 0. Now write on the coordinates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is on right hand side of y axis, that is positive x axis. 1, 2, 3, 4 and next one 6 tak we are writing for positive coefficient, positive numbers on positive y axis. Similarly next -1, -2, -3, -4. चॉइस योर्स. ज़रूरी नहीं है जितना लेफ्ट में लिखे उतना ही राइट में. जितना ज़रूरी है उतना पॉइंट होना इंपॉर्टेंट है. बाकी आप पॉइंट्स एक्स्ट्रा कितना लिख रहे हैं वो आपके ऊपर है. Similarly on negative y we are having -1, -2, -3. Let's start with writing the scale. So now we'll write on scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both axes, not axis, axis, क्योंकि एक साथ हम दोनों का information दें. Now after doing all this, you will start with plotting this point. So let me start with the first one. So 6,0 we have to check. Where is 6,0? X का value आपको 6 चाहिए और y का value 0. So we get our first point. Write down 6,0. Next point is 5,1. X का value 5, y का value 1. Let plot this point. X is equal to 5 and y is equal to 1. Next is 4,2. X is equal to 4 and y equal to 2. So this is what the point is, which is 4,2. Now draw a line passing through these 3 points and write on the original equation on one corner of a line. So this is what the graph of the first equation. Now we'll start with plotting point for the second equation, which is x plus y, x minus y is equal to 4, and in that first point is 4,0. X का value 0, x का value 4 है, y का value 0. We plot it, write on the coordinate 4,0. Then next point is 5,1, वो तो already हमारे पास है. Next is 6,2. We will write on this all 3 points, and now we draw a line passing through all these 3 points. तो ये तीनों पॉइंट से पास होता हुआ एक लाइन हम ड्रॉ करेंगे and write on the original equation at one corner. So we will write on x minus y is equal to 4. अब दोनों लाइन एक दूसरे को एक पॉइंट पे इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है. Value of that point is 5,1, which is nothing but your final answer. So we will write on the point of intersection is 5,1, मतलब x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 1 is a solution of this two simultaneous equation which we obtain graphically. So very important to do practice of preparing this table as well as drawing the graph on graph paper. Understand two more questions. Let's start with the next question is again from the exercise. Main question number 2, which we are selecting, is the sixth sum. We have here 2x minus 3y is equal to 4 and 3y minus x is equal to 4. So these are the two equations. Now be careful, important one to understand the concept. Let's start with the first equation, which we have 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Now we have to write on one variable on left and all other variable on right, or all other terms on right. But जैसा कि मैंने previous questions में बोला, जिसका कोएफिशिएंट 1 होगा वही सिर्फ लेफ्ट में होगा. अब यहाँ पे किसी का भी कोएफिशिएंट 1 नहीं है. So again choice yours, you will select any one on left and shift all other on right. Prefer smaller number with positive sign on left. This is what the second trick you can keep in mind. So we get 2x is equal to 4 plus 3y. Therefore x is equal to, we will write on 4 plus 3y whole divided by 2. So अब लेफ्ट में जो वेरिएबल है उसका कोएफिशिएंट 1 हो गया. पहले से 1 है तो अच्छी बात, नहीं है 1 है तो आपको उसे कन्वर्ट करना है. Now we prepare table. So again table of 4 column. First column we will write on x, y, x comma y. Now be careful, blindly don't write any value for any variable. First think about कौन सा variable right में है. So right में variable है y. So y का first value we will select as 0, which we discussed earlier. So y का value will write on 0. अब y का value 0 अपडेट करेंगे in this modified equation. So what we get, y का value equal to 0. So we get x is equal to 4 plus 3 into 0. अब 3 into 0 gives you 0. 0 plus 4 आपको मिलेगा 4, और जब आप उसको 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो आंसर you will have 2. So the first point we obtained as 2, 0. Now we have to think about 1. But क्या actually 1 वर्क करेगा? तो जब आप y का वैल्यू 1 रखेंगे, जो ब्लाइंडली आप चेक कर रहे थे अब तक प्रीवियस क्वेश्चंस में 0, 1 और 2, वो इस यहाँ पे वर्क नहीं करेगा, बिकॉज इन मॉडिफाइड फॉर्म वी हैव डिनोमिनेटर. तो डिनोमिनेटर होने के वजह से ब्लाइंडली यू कैन नॉट राइट डाउन. सो इसका एक शॉर्टकट है, वॉट एवर फर्स्ट वैल्यू वी ऑब्टेन फॉर वेरिएबल y, उस वेरिएबल y के फर्स्ट वैल्यू को आप डिनोमिनेटर के साथ में प्लस करेंगे. So when we add 0 plus 2, that gives you 2, and this value will substitute. So we get y is equal to 2. अगर आप यहाँ पे substitute करो, so what we get? We get x is equal to 4 plus 3 into 2 whole divided by 2. So simplification, 3 2s are 6 plus 4 gives you 10 divided by 2 gives you 5. That value will update. So we get 5 comma 2. Now how to select the next value? Understand one more time. Now again y का जो first value मिला था उसमें हमने एक बार denominator add किया. Now अब उसमें से denominator को subtract करेंगे. तो you will do 0 minus 2. That gives you next value for y. So this shortcut always work whenever you have denominator. 0, the first value which we obtain for the variable which is on right hand side, जो variable right hand side में है, and then add denominator and subtract denominator from that number. So now we'll substitute y is equal to minus 2 in this modified form. So we write on x is equal to 4 plus 3 into minus 2 whole divided by 2. That gives you 3 2s are 6, but minus है इसलिए minus 6. So 4 minus 6 is minus 2 whole divided by 2 gives you minus 1. That value we updated and we get answer as minus 1 comma minus 2. So this is what the answer we obtained for first equation. Second equation we have 3y minus x is equal to 4. डिनोमिनेटर आएगा, थोड़ा ध्यान से करना है. अब यहाँ पे x का कोएफिशिएंट -1 है और y का कोएफिशिएंट 3. So what we can do, we can shift minus x on right and 4 on left. So we get minus 4 plus 3y is equal to x, and that can be written as x is equal to 3y minus 4. सेम स्टेटमेंट को हमने थोड़ा मॉडिफाई करके लिखा है, no change mathematically. So now we prepare again table x comma y in first column and select value for the variable which is on right hand side again. So now we have on right hand side variable y. So variable y का value will select. और अगर आप check करेंगे there is no denominator, meaning directly you can select 0, 1, 2 because denominator नहीं है. Denominator होगा directly you cannot assume because decimal answer आएगा. क्यों डायरेक्ट नहीं अज्यूम कर सकते? क्योंकि डेसिमल आंसर आएगा और डेसिमल आंसर को ग्राफ पे प्लॉट करना थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द सिंप्लीफिकेशन नाउ. व्हेन y is equal to 1, सब्स्टिट्यूट हियर y is equal to 1. y का वैल्यू जब आप 1 रखेंगे सो वी गेट x is equal to 3 into y equal to 0. सॉरी, y का वैल्यू जब 0 आप रखेंगे सो वी गेट x is equal to 3 into 0 minus 4. And 3 into 0 is 0. 0 minus 4 gives you minus 4. So x का value we obtained as minus 4. Write down answer as minus 4 comma 0. Next, y का value 1 will write in this modified form. So we get answer as x is equal to 3 into 1 minus 4, which gives you 3 minus 4 nothing but equal to minus 1. The last, after updating this, writing the answer minus 1 comma 1. Now the last value of y which we are selecting is 2. Substitute in this equation x is equal to 3y minus 4 gives you 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 4 is nothing but equal to 2. That value will update. We get 2 comma 2. Now points are ready with us. Let's start with again graph. ग्राफ पेपर से स्टार्ट करेंगे जिसपे हमने कोऑर्डिनेट्स और x और y एक्सिस ड्रॉ कर लिया. The maximum point which you can plot is this one. अब ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आपके x एक्सिस पे आप चेक करेंगे तो 9 तक लिख सकते हैं. तो अब यहाँ पे मैंने मैक्सिमम पॉइंट्स प्लॉट कर दिए हैं. Then write down x x dash, y y dash. Write down scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both axes. Now start with plotting the points of first equation. So first point is 2 comma 0. Next point is 5 comma 2. X का value 5, y का value 2. We are getting in first quadrant. Next is minus 1 comma minus 2. Minus 1 comma minus 2 third quadrant. X का value minus 1 है और y का value है minus 2. So we are getting these points. Let draw the graph or draw a line passing through all these 3 points. So this is what the answer we are getting. Graph of the first equation. So at one corner we'll write on the original equation which is 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Now in next step, what we do, moving further, now I'll start with the plotting point for second one, which is minus 4 comma 0. X का value minus 4, y का value 0. Next minus 1 comma 1, second quadrant, x का value minus 1 और y का value 1. Next one is 2 comma 2. So after getting this 3 points, draw a line passing through these 3 points. They intersect each other at one point. First write down the second equation at one corner. Now if we are observing, we have a common point and answer of that common point is 8 comma 4. So we will write on the point of intersection is 8 comma 4, meaning x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 4 is the solution of given two simultaneous equation. Let's discuss the last question so that you will understand everything related with the graphical method. The next question is again from the same exercise, main question number 2. Sub question number 5 we are solving, which is 3x minus 4y equal to minus 7, and second one is 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. So let's start with the first one. 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7. Again choose any one variable on left hand side and all other on right hand side. So again आप चेक करेंगे तो x का कोएफिशिएंट y का कोएफिशिएंट 1 नहीं है. So any one variable you will write on left and all other will shift on right. So we get 3x, here we are writing x on left hand side. 3x is equal to 4y minus 7. So in next step we can write on x is equal to 4y minus 7 whole divided by 3. Now we prepare table with 4 column x, y, x comma y. Now select value for the variable which is on right hand side. अगर आप right hand side में check करेंगे, so we have variable y. But blindly we cannot write down 0, 1 and 2 which we are doing for those question in which we don't have denominator. But here we have denominator. So properly you have to select कि कौन सा value work करेगा और कौन सा value work नहीं करेगा. So if you select y का value as 0 and you will write that y का value 0 here in this modified form, we get 4 into 0 is equal to 0 and 0 minus 7 is minus 7 and minus 7 is not divisible by 3 completely. So therefore 0 will not work. So we think about 1. So if we write on y is equal to 1, so what we get here, y equal to 1 we are writing, so we get x is equal to 4 into 1 minus 7 divided by 3. So we will get 4 ones are 4 minus 7, which is nothing but equal to minus 3. When we divide it by 3 gives you minus 1. So we'll update that value minus 1. So we are getting our first point as minus 1 comma 1. Now इसके बाद मैंने कुछ शॉर्टकट बताए थे, वो शॉर्टकट आप फॉलो करें. y जो राइट हैंड साइड में है उस वेरिएबल का फर्स्ट वैल्यू 1 मिला, एड दिस फर्स्ट वैल्यू विद द डिनोमिनेटर. So we get 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Now we substitute y is equal to 4. So we get, when we substitute y is equal to 4 here, we get x is equal to 4 into 4 minus 7 divided by 3. So 4 4s are 16 minus 7 divided by 3. So 16 minus 7 आपको 9 देगा और 9 divided by 3 करेंगे तो you will have answer as 3. So आप उतने कैलकुलेशन को शॉर्टकट करें, अदरवाइज और ज़्यादा टाइम जाएगा आपका. नाउ वी आर गेटिंग आंसर एज 3. सो वी आर राइटिंग 3 comma 4. नाउ अगेन 1 विच इज अ फर्स्ट वैल्यू फॉर द वेरिएबल विच इज ऑन राइट हैंड साइड, उसमें हमने एक बार 3 को ऐड किया. नाउ 1 में से अब हम 3 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. सो व्हेन वी सब्ट्रैक्ट 1 minus 3 वी गेट minus 2 which will 100% work when we substitute. So we will substitute y is equal to minus 2 in this equation. So we get x is equal to 4 into minus 2 minus 7 whole divided by 3. So we get x is equal to minus 8 minus 7 divided by 3. So minus 8 minus 7 आपको minus 15 देगा, divided by 3 gives you minus 5. So we will update that value, we get minus 5 comma minus 2. So table ready for first equation. Let's proceed for second. So we have 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. Again write down any one variable on left and all other terms on right. So what we do, we write down 5x is equal to minus 2y को हमने right में shift किया, 0 के साथ add किया, so we are getting 2y. So therefore x is equal to, we can write down 2y whole divided by 5. Now prepare table, write down in first column x, y, x comma y. Now select value for the variable which is on right hand side. So we have on right hand side y. So y का value we will select first value as 0 क्योंकि 0 work करेगा. So numerator में we will write down 0 instead of y. So we get x is equal to 2 into 0 which is 0 and 0 divided by 5 is nothing but equal to 0. तो x का value भी 0 मिल रहा है. So we are getting first point as 0, 0. Now the value which is on right hand side is, the variable which is on right hand side is 0. उसका first value भी 0 मिला. Sorry, the variable which is on right hand side is y. उसका first value 0 मिला. That 0 we add with denominator. So the next value which will work is 5. So what we do, now we substitute 5 in x is equal to 2y upon 5. We get x is equal to 2 into 5 whole divided by 5, and when we simplify we get x is equal to 2 because 5 और 5 cancel हो जाएंगे. So that value we update, we get 2, 5. Next one is minus 5. How we get that? Y का जो value था first value, उसमें से हमने 5 को subtract किया which is a denominator. So 0 plus 5 that gives you this second value, and now 0 minus 5 gives you this third value. So ये shortcut 100% work करता है, तो आपको try and error नहीं करना पड़ेगा. So we will update y is equal to minus 5 in this equation. We get x is equal to 2 into minus 5 whole divided by 5. 5 and minus 5 cancel. We get x is equal to minus 2. That will update. We get minus 2, minus 5. Now we done with the table. Let's start with drawing of graph of these two equations. So drawing x and y axis, writing x dash, y dash, scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both axes. Let's start with plotting point for first equation. So first point we have is minus 1, 1. X का value minus 1, y का value 1. Let's write on them. Next is 3, 4. X का value 3, y का value 4. Write on them, plotting the point. Then minus 5, minus 2, which is in the third quadrant. Now we have 3 points. Draw a line passing through these 3 points and write down equation at one corner. Graph ready for first equation. Let draw a point for second equation. So we have 0, 0, which is origin. Then 2, 5. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 5. And the third one is minus 2, minus 5, which is in a third quadrant. So draw a line passing through these 3 points. We are getting one more line. Write on at one corner equation. Original equation always write on. Now they both intersect each other at a point, and coordinate of that point is x is equal to 1 अगर आप properly check करें, and y is equal to 2.5 we are getting. So point of intersection is 1, 2.5. So this is about the graphical method. Do practice of this क्योंकि बोर्ड एग्जाम में एक सम कंपलसरी होता ही है इस टाइप के. So next lecture will meet with a word problem. Thank you everyone for watching our video.